Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've been to our local DM store in Germany where I purchased this new razor from Wilkinson Sword, which is called Henry Nock. With this razor the company wants to pay special tribute to the founder. If you flip the package and read on the back side, it says, why Henry Nock? Quite simple, he was the founder of Wilkinson Sword. We named this razor after Henry Nock in homage to him. And what makes the Henry Nock razor so unique? It gives you a close and comfortable shave, and it looks great too. So in this video I'm planning to show you unboxing, and also if my guessing about this razor is correct, I'll show you a little trick, a life hack so to speak, how to save money on blades if you have some old cartridges left from your old purchased razors already. Not all of them, but some kinds of them. So let's start with the unboxing. It's sealed properly, the packaging. It's probably okay, it's quite easy to open. Okay. Sealed really well. So it has this quite pleasant, I would say, leather look, sleek design. It also says Nock on the button, so you can look at it more closely. It has quite nice, quite pleasant optical appearance. So this is what it looks like, and now I'll also show you how to save money on blades for this razor, because the blades are sold obviously separately, and they are not that cheap. So the razor itself costs about €7. I think if you like this vintage design, and if you also would like to have this name of the founder of the company on the button, so if it gives you some kind of pleasure to have it in your bathroom, so you can spend this money. But the blades are always a problem. So if you buy a cartridge razor, then the next question is always how to save money on blades. Yeah, there are many people who try to resharpen them using jeans or some leather, so all possible kinds of tricks, yeah, just to save money on the blades. So my idea is based on, or like my guessing is based on the information from the internet. There used to be a razor from Schick and Wilkinson Sword as well. It existed on Japanese market several years ago, and it was called Schick Titanium Quattro 5, which is quite a silly name for a razor, because Quattro in Italian means obviously 4. Quattro 5, it like contradicts itself. I guess that this razor, like many others on the market now, is a direct successor, direct offspring of that one. So if this is correct, then the blades from any other Quattro razor would also fit on this razor. So let's first take the Quattro razor, which is purchased, well, it's Wilkinson Sword. It's purchased in Germany, has an old cartridge in it. So if we try it on the new Henry Nock, you see it fits absolutely perfectly, because the mechanism is the same. So same story obviously. So this one is from Schick. This I purchased when I was in the United States. This is another model. This is this titanium. This is for sensitive skin or whatever. It will also fit on it. Yeah, you see. So if you have some old cartridges purchased for them, you don't need to buy cartridges for this new razor. What is more, as probably some of you might already know, Schick, Wilkinson Sword, and the company called Personna are now one company, and Personna makes razors for private labels. So different shops and companies, they simply purchase their razors, put their labels on them, and resell. So they have one particular model which is called GT5. It's also direct successor of that which I previously described you, this Schick Quattro 5. So that means if you buy some of the private label razors, their cartridges, which might be sold cheaper, yeah, than these one particular, they might also fit on this razor. So just to give you an example, this is the private label, so the razor which is sold under a brand called Bulldog. It's also manufactured by Personna. I'll just open this package, it's completely new, I have not tried it yet. I'll just open it and test my hypothesis. So if it's correct, then the cartridge from this razor, from Bulldog, will also fit on this new Henry Nock razor. And you see, it fits absolutely perfectly. So it will lock together. Like specially manufactured for each other. So now I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it provided some useful information for you. The razor itself is quite beautiful, I would say. The optical appearance is nice. I'm not sure about the unique, or how it says, which experience. Comfortable shave, yeah, close and comfortable shave. So probably this statement is correct, but nothing unique about this razor. So the blades are manufactured, these are the same basically blades which are manufactured for the cheap private label razors which you can buy in some food stores or other markets, yeah, like for example, or slightly more expensive versions like this bamboo-like handle from Bulldog. I hope you liked this video. I would be also very grateful if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you in my next videos.